how to remove number from locked Facebook account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can remove number from a locked Facebook account. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. So if your Facebook account is locked, what you would need to do was you would need to try to unlock it. When you try to unlock it, basically it'll ask you to verify with your phone number, right? So in that case, what you have to do is open up your browser and then go to facebook.com/help. I'll make sure to drop a link below. Once you go to facebook.com/help, you land on this page over here, where in the search box you just want to type in something similar to locked account. When you search for a keyword called locked account, you'll be able to see a bunch of articles based on those search, and then you can find that search that says my personal Facebook account is disabled. Just tap on it, and then here you'll find the option called fix problems with logging in. Just tap on that option again, and once you do that, you can see facebook.com/login/identify. You want to make sure to just tap on that link again. So when you tap on that link, basically Facebook is again going to ask you to verify your mobile number. But if you don't have your mobile number and then you want to remove it, keep in mind that you cannot remove it unless you gain access back into your account. So you have to gain access first and then only try to remove the number. So if you don't have your number, in that case you can try to simply search by your email or name instead. Once you select that option in the search box, just enter the email address associated, tap on search. Facebook is actually going to search if the particular account exists with that email. Then you have to tap on continue. It will send a verification code to your email and then you should be able to remove it. So basically what I'm meaning by this is that you need to verify the ownership of your account, and then only you'll be able to have access. If you're trying to remove a number from a locked account, so let's say it could be a friend's account or else, or even if in your account, if somebody's trying to unlock it, if you could do that without verification, then anybody else would do it and then gain access to your account. Facebook wouldn't really want that to happen. You have to prove the ownership, and if Facebook cannot prove your ownership, they cannot give you the account. It's just for security reasons. Hope this video cleared your confusion. If it did help clear your confusion, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.